Hell no. This shit's not scripted. Collect the dead bodies and take them to the graveyard. Blunts from the roaches in the ashtray savior. To the fiend Anita, any stoner low on paper. Never low on money, stacked high like the scrapers. Infinite bringing it to Olympus. The Lord is my witness, switching the flow like the river Styx. Coming close to the cataclysm. I'm told are all imprisoned in skin. And my lifespan thin. Invincible still cause my mindset ill. Pop a pill for the thrill, get chills instead. Hard cold brain froze from the Oreo. Bitch fuck randoms like the glory hole. Ask her why, just want fellatio. Illuminati on the benzo, speed past the friend zone. She think I'm
yeah, speeding through the friend zone like my name is Frozone. I'm just so incredible. Catch me in the ozone. I'm like a Rayquaza, up in the sky, the real superhero. I'm always sky high. I'm Jetter the better. Your girl, yes I better. Don't beg her for nothing, cause I am the Slum King, Slumdog King Slug, pumping out the slugs, hitting home runs like I'm Babe Ruth. Take a bite out of one, get the shock from the peanut. Making stories harder than Akira Toriyama's, nigga.